Hello. Have you ever wondered if it's okay to enjoy fruit while dealing with fatty liver? And which fruits are helpful versus those to avoid? That's what today's video is all about. We're diving into the top 10 fruits that are beneficial for people with fatty liver, along with the 5 that might actually do more harm than good, all backed by science. So, stick with us. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on these health insights. Share this video with family and friends on social media, helping others protect their health too. On our channel, we explore practical ways to take care of our most valuable asset, our health. So, are you managing fatty liver? Are you hesitant to eat fruit because of it? Where are you tuning in from? Let us know in the comments below. Let's get started. Fatty liver disease, also called hepatic steatosis, is becoming more widespread and concerning. Today, it affects around 30 to 40% of adults globally. Left unaddressed, it can progress into more serious issues like cirrhosis and liver cancer. Does having this condition mean you have to cut out all fruits? Let's explore. Fruits and fatty liver. How do they mix? Fruits are excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, crucial for any diet. However, fruits also contain fructose, a natural sugar that, when consumed in excess, can add to liver fat buildup. Eating fruits and veggies in moderation generally doesn't pose a problem, but too much industrialized fructose can lead to serious health issues. In the 1980s, corn syrup and fructose took over as the go-to sweeteners in the soft drink industry. This shift sparked a surge in obesity rates and fatty liver cases. Hepatic steatosis was once uncommon, but today, it ranks as a leading cause of cirrhosis worldwide. In Outlive, the best-selling health book of 2023, the author recounts his first encounter with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. As an oncology surgery resident, he would ask pre-op questions, including alcohol consumption. One patient claimed he didn't drink, yet when his abdomen was opened, his liver appeared nearly cirrhotic and yellow. His supervisor doubted he had asked about alcohol use since the liver condition suggested alcoholism. But the truth? The patient didn't drink alcohol. He drank 8 cans of Coca-Cola daily. This illustrates that what you eat and drink has a profound impact on liver health. If an ultrasound reveals fatty liver, it's time to act. Changing your diet and lifestyle is essential. What should you avoid if you have fatty liver? Let's start with alcohol. Known as one of the liver's greatest adversaries, alcohol is harmful even in minimal amounts. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, got its name to distinguish it from alcoholic fatty liver disease, once the only known form. Avoid alcohol completely. Sugary drinks and sodas are also major concerns. High in sugar and fructose, these beverages promote liver fat accumulation and can lead to insulin resistance, worsening the condition. And what foods should you be steering clear of? Let's start with sugar and sweets. Consuming too much sugar has a direct impact on liver health, contributing to fat buildup. This includes desserts, cakes, ice cream, and other sugary treats. Foods with corn syrups and fructose are even more harmful than regular sugar. These syrups are hidden in a range of processed products, from condiments like ketchup and mustard to salad dressings and desserts. Reading food labels carefully is essential to avoid them. Excess salt is another risk factor. Diets high in sodium can lead to both fat accumulation in the liver and high blood pressure. Processed foods like canned soups, sausages, and frozen meals are often loaded with salt, so cutting back on these can help. Refined wheat is also best avoided. Products made with refined flour, such as white bread, pasta, and cookies, contribute to liver fat. Instead, opt for whole grains whenever possible. What about saturated fats? Saturated fats, found in foods like yellow cheese, bacon, fatty cuts of meat, and fried foods, can make hepatic steatosis worse. Now that we've covered foods to avoid, let's discuss some of the best choices for liver health, starting with drinks. Coffee. A 2021 study involving 494,585 people in the UK revealed that all types of coffee, including decaf, instant, and ground, are linked to a reduced risk of chronic liver disease and its complications. The optimal benefit comes from consuming 3 to 4 cups a day, helping to lower liver stiffness and improve liver enzyme levels in those with and without liver disease. Green tea. Research has found that moderate green tea intake may help lower liver enzymes like TGO and TGP, which tend to rise with liver damage. And what about foods? Let's start with oats. Oats contain beta-glucans, compounds known to reduce inflammation. Garlic also stands out. A clinical trial showed that regular garlic consumption significantly improved fat buildup in the liver. Check the comments for a video exploring garlic's impressive health benefits. But remember, finish watching this video first. Nuts and walnuts offer another boost. These nuts are rich in unsaturated fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, which can prevent non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and help curb inflammation. Chia and flaxseed are valuable additions too. High in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, these seeds support liver protection. Olive oil can reduce oxidative stress and enhance liver function, while omega-3 rich fish contributes to reducing liver inflammation. And don't forget your greens. Kale, lettuce, arugula, cabbage, alfalfa, watercress, broccoli. All green vegetables can help reduce liver fat. Some fruits are more beneficial, while others can be a bit challenging for the liver. Today, we'll dive into the top 10 fruits for liver health, along with the 5 that are best to avoid. But remember, even those worst fruits are a far better choice than the sponge cakes, pastries, or French bread from the bakery. So, what are the 10 best fruits for reducing liver fat? These can offer protection and boost liver health. Starting with number 10, grapefruit. Resembling an orange but with a vibrant red interior, grapefruit is packed with antioxidants like naringenin and naringin. These compounds actively combat free radicals and protect liver cells from oxidative damage. Grapefruit also supports the liver's fat metabolism, reducing excessive fat accumulation, a key benefit for those with fatty liver disease. Plus, it helps regulate insulin levels. However, if you take medication, be cautious, as grapefruit can increase drug concentrations in the body, potentially leading to side effects. Ninth on the list is the apple. With a low glycemic index, apples are suitable for diabetics and contain pectin, a fiber that aids in toxin elimination from the digestive system, lightening the liver's workload. Eating apples with their skin on provides antioxidants that further protect the liver. For those who find apples alone not filling, try adding slices to a salad for added flavor and satiety. Eighth fruit, guava. Rich in fiber and boasting even more vitamin C than oranges, guava is a liver-friendly fruit. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, protects liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Guava also contains antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene, which further safeguard liver cells from damage. Unlike fruits high in fructose, guava has a lower glycemic index, making it a balanced choice. Seventh fruit, acai, specifically pasteurized acai. Without pasteurization, acai carries a risk of Chagas disease. However, when pasteurized, acai is incredibly beneficial, packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins. These compounds work against free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting liver cells from damage. Inflammation is a significant factor in the progression of fatty liver disease toward more severe conditions like steatohepatitis. Acai's antioxidants possess anti-inflammatory properties that actively reduce liver inflammation. Just remember, acai is calorie-dense, so enjoy it in moderation. Sixth on the list, papaya. This fruit is rich in antioxidants, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and flavonoids. These antioxidants help counteract free radicals, shielding liver cells from harm. Papaya also contains enzymes like papain and chymopapain, known for their anti-inflammatory effects, aiding in reducing liver inflammation. Fifth fruit, lemon. Lemon is a powerhouse for liver health, offering protective, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant benefits that support the fight against fatty liver disease. Studies show that lemon juice can lower liver enzymes TGO and TGP, markers of liver damage, and decrease triglyceride levels and lipid peroxidation in the liver. Check out the comments for an in-depth video on lemon's benefits for the liver, but watch it after finishing this one. You'll be surprised. Fourth fruit, grapes. Red grapes, in particular, are packed with resveratrol, a potent antioxidant that protects the liver from damage and helps reduce inflammation. However, if you're diabetic, enjoy grapes in moderation to avoid raising blood sugar levels. Third fruit, persimmon. This nutrient-dense fruit is loaded with compounds that help combat liver fat. It enhances glucose tolerance, aids in weight control, reduces liver damage markers, fights oxidative stress, and improves mitochondrial function. A 2022 study even found that persimmons reduce fat accumulation in the liver and improve insulin resistance, making them a tasty way to protect your liver. Second fruit, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, resveratrol, and vitamin C, which help lower liver inflammation. Furthermore, berries are associated with improved insulin sensitivity, crucial for those dealing with hepatic steatosis, as insulin resistance often contributes to liver fat buildup and fibrosis, or scarring. First fruit, avocado. Avocados are nutrient-rich, particularly in monounsaturated fats, which lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. They're also high in vitamin E, reducing the risk of liver scarring. If you're not sure how to enjoy avocado without added sugar, try it in guacamole or a salad. You might be pleasantly surprised. So, which 5 fruits should you avoid, or at least reduce, if you have fatty liver? First on the list, mango. While mangoes are delicious and antioxidant-rich, they have a high glycemic index and glycemic load. For this reason, it's best to enjoy them in moderation. Second fruit, pineapple. Although pineapple has anti-inflammatory benefits and contains bromelain, its high sugar content can strain the liver when eaten in excess. Third fruit, banana. Bananas are high in potassium, but they're also high in sugar. Eating half a banana is unlikely to impact liver fat, but consuming 3 or 4 daily could contribute to fatty liver. Fourth fruit, dates. Dates are packed with fiber and minerals, but have an extremely high sugar content. A couple of dates are fine for a snack, but frequent or large quantities could worsen both diabetes and fatty liver. Fifth fruit, raisins. While grapes are fine in moderation, raisins are highly concentrated in sugar. Eating a small amount is acceptable, as raisins can support digestion and reduce constipation, but avoid large handfuls as they may contribute to fat accumulation in the liver. Remember, moderation is key. If you enjoy bananas or dates but have fatty liver, balance it out with physical activity and smaller portions. Also, avoid fruit juices with high glycemic loads. Whole fruits are always a better choice. Did you enjoy this video? Let me know by leaving a comment with the phrase 10 fruits for liver fat and 5 worse to show you watched to the end. Always remember to consult a health professional for personalized advice, especially if you have any pre-existing conditions. Thank you so much for watching, and may health and life bless us all. Let's keep working together for everyone's well-being.